Tell it.
Janae.
Windbreaker Season 2, Episode 10. That means don't forget the like button.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new.
Don't forget about Patreon,
where you'll get it first.
Let's get to it.
Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride Month. Boop, 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 boop.
I'm so gay.
No, you're not.
A little bit.
Okay, yeah, a little bit.
But there's one thing a Saiyan always keeps.
All right, Episode 10, Salvation.
I like boobies.
What? Hands are throwing.
Yeah, they are. And she got some legs too.
Look at them legs. Look at them legs. They're amazing. That's 2 hits.
Oh. Oh.
3 hits.
Oh.
Yeah, you're inadvertently trying to find a way to make it about you.
Not,
my hair!
Not the hair pulling.
Oh, he's crazy.
Yeah, he is.
Nah, no! Damn! Ah! Instant migraine. Instant migraine.
Oh my goodness.
They're both crazy. They're both insane.
Their eyes.
They're both insane.
Look at his eyes.
Is that a cookie?
Not when you don't actually have one.
Oh, see, this is where you lose me. I don't give a goddamn about your goddamn past.
But look, his eyes aren't lifeless.
Yeah, he also doesn't have a bun. He still has that fuck ass Mandark haircut, but I mean, he just doesn't have a bun. Jeez, that says a lot. The only proper meals we got was the school lunch.
Dang.
Fuck, school lunches are gross. They feed kids because they have to. And fighting over cookie crumbs is kind of crazy, but I understand. Oh, it's a game poster. I thought it was like a thing for a movie. And that's why they act so protective over him.
Look at his eyes, dude.
That's when he started getting lifeless. How coincidental, that's what we were just talking about. Having to bear the responsibility of making sure everybody around you is good. That's tough. It's not a fun role to be in. They're no longer crumbs, they're whole ass cookies. Everybody get to eat. So you're Negan.
Yeah. Dang.
Uh-oh. Whoop! Still doing this in flip-flops. Through your fist.
What was she doing?
Right, it was like, look at this whore. Like, what kind of school shit? Yeah, you looking a little flustered, my guy.
Them legs, I'm telling you.
Gave him that good old Naruto kick.
How do they stay on his feet?
That's what I'll be wondering. I don't like flip-flops because they don't stay on right. Or they hurt. I mean, to be fair, they're slides. Not that that's any better, but still.
Yeah.
I'll get your ass up. I want to see more.
と同じように苦しんでいるんだってことだけは分かった。
Mm.
私にできることなら何でもする。あんたのやりたいよ。一緒にやろう。まっとうな仕事なんてない。今日の飯に困るやつがなんてやりたいことができるんだ。
What's she crying about?
店長が人手が欲しいって言ってたな。
So I guess you're getting a regular job.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, it's a win-win, baby, honestly.
What's up, everybody?
Hey guys.
Hey, guys.
Hey guys. Hi guys. Join Patreon today. Well, you'll get everything
Uncut.
Unedited.
Don't forget to pick a tier.
and remember.
You'll get it first.
Let's get it.
This is for the record. This is something that females could never do. Fight like this and be like, we cool after that. Nah, bitch, I hate you forever.
Well, he said it's not like we're forgiving you.
今の椿がお前にしてくれるみたいにな。感じ。
Okay, Kanji.
だからもう好きなもの諦めないでほしい。
Yeah, but what is it that you love? Video games?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Does it have something to do with the video games? Take it easy.
もうやめだやめ。とんだらすごす。
Ah, no way.
Was that Hinata?
Right.
He just turned into Hinata out of
Jeez,
nowhere.
bro. Talking to Jutsu, you immediately turn into Naruto's girlfriend.
What is she crying about?
Because she was saved, I guess.
Don't save her.
一体どうしたらあんな大きな背中になれるんでしょうか。
Yeah, you don't have any of those things. You're just a weak ass nigga.
Okay.
That's it.
Thought we supported him, but okay.
I know I support him. I'm just saying, like, what do I have to do to be like that, nigga? Adversity.
Right,
What the fuck?
right.
You kind of have it made in the shade, my nigga. You haven't gone through shit. You just weak. Do a couple push-ups and then you can get yourself up there, maybe. Not really facing adversity. Yeah, talk to your people.
Dang, there's hella of them too. Yeah, he was holding one guy up.
I mean, hey, look. Everybody got their ass. Look at that.
They did.
Everybody doing the Vegeta arm hold.
Mm-hmm.
だからあらゆる感情を殺してわからないふりをした。俺にはそれ以外の道を見つけることができなかったから。ごめん。そもそもスズリさんがいなかったら俺たちもたれ死んでましたよ。お前が言うならやるに決まってるじゃねえか。
Yeah, that's the A1 day ones right there.
Mm-hmm.
俺たちは全員で一人になるんだ。
Now, what about all the rest of them niggas in the back?
Right. Somebody in the back's like, man, fuck this, man.
Yeah, right.
I'm out of
like,
here.
Boo's gay. I think we didn't come here for all that. We came here to punch
Boo.
faces.
Don't ask me or mine for nothing.
あんた、私に嘘ついたのね。
I did.
何も持ってないなんて。そんなことない。
Oh, because you got
He's
people.
got his boys.
What?
無事でよかった。
Oh!
あんたはここにいる全員の気持ちを踏みにじった
Yeah, thank you. Scold her ass. No. Let her hear that shit.
迷惑かけたくない気持ちもわかる。でもあんたと同じくらい。
Punch her ass. He's not gonna punch her.
No, he's not.
They're like, yeah, that's what I was saying beforehand. Like, everybody out here getting beat the fuck up for you. And you over here throwing that shit away, trying to come back out here and give yourself up. Ah, bitch, I'll smack you.
I still understand why she did it.
I understand why she did it too, but like, that's selfish as fuck. Imagine you fighting for somebody and you get knocked the fuck out. You sleep on the goddamn concrete and you wake up and they walking away with her because she gave herself up. Why even do all this for? You be mad.
椿ちゃんの言う通り、さくらくんにも言われたの。腹くくれって。
It's like, nigga, don't bring me into this.
みんなが最低だ。本当にごめんなさい。
Well, as long as you apologize.
あんたに言われた。いつだって助けに行くわよ。辛い時くらい頼ってよ。
Yeah.
Right?
These are
'Cause
all
that's
those
like
are
his
all
little
facts.
sister.
Like, nigga,
ただじゃおかないわよ。
you've been with us for mad long. We rock with you for real.
Mhm.
あんたのことが大好きなんだから。
First of all, he snatched away her true love. And he's taking all the love right now. He made this woman about him.
He did.
好きな子のために肩を張ったやつをねぎらってやんなぜ。あんたらいい加減くっつきなさいよ。そう言ってやるのは二人のペースがあるでしょ。いや、椿の言う通りさ。
What? What?
Right. Yeah.
Don't ask Sakura. Don't
Everybody
ask Sakura.
says
Leave this
so.
nigga alone.
You know not to ask him about romance.
Don't ask him about PDF anything. Or PDA. I said PDF.
That nigga sending files?
Yeah. Don't ask him about no goddamn files.
Did you get that file I sent you?
No. We'll send it again. Send it again. You get both of them.
I hate that.
I hate that.
仲間が倒れていくのをただ受け入れることは俺にはできねえ。だからといって絶対に誰も倒れない方法なんてあるわけないのも分かってる。
Why he breathing so hard?
俺だって綺麗事だってのは分かってんだ。
これは気持ちのいいもんじゃねえよな。仲間が倒れていくのは。
Yeah.
が本当にできちまうからな。
Why did his hair move?
Mm-hmm.
He just.
Oh my god. Right, facts. I don't have to worry about you getting beat up.
Right.
I had to stop you from killing somebody else.
Right. Not you, not freaking. Dang it, I cannot remember his name.
That's gonna say Suo? No, that's
Purple
him.
hair guy.
Oh, yeah.
お前らどうした？
Yeah, we fucked this whole area up.
They did.
Oh my god, it's a cafe called Euphoria. Did you see that?
No.
It's a sign saying Euphoria and it's like girls cross the line. I know they like low-key in the red light district-esque, but like goddamn.
Now that was nice. He said in the beginning, those of us who are able to work will and will support everybody else, and then we'll figure it out from there.
怖いと思う。だからうちの連中に少しでも思うことがあれば全て俺が追う。
Oh, I just realized he got some life back in him, in his eyes.
Mm-hmm.
でもあなたたちが辛かったこともわかる。何より私もあなたと同じようにこの町に救われた人間だから。
I'm just like all of you. You weren't. Oh wait, yes, you was. Okay, yeah. Oh, I forgot her backstory.
The only reason why she's where she's at is because old boy came in and was like, "Oh, you shouldn't be out here. What the fuck? What you doing? It's bitch, it's
Come
snowing."
out here.
それにしてもお前たちは大丈夫なんだ。静かをさらうように依頼してきたやつがいるんだ。
I was thinking about that.
俺がなんとか話をつけてみる。
I don't like that.
Me neither. Yeah.
Here we go.
Who? Oh,
Oh, is that
tattoo
the guy?
まあでも風鈴とのカードはもう一枚手に入った。
どうして風鈴だと分かった？制服も着ていないのに。なんであんたがここにいるのよ。
Great, you know who this is.
Yeah. Come on, daddy, with the tattoos though.
Right, because we did not see his face last time. We just saw tattoos and body and hair.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Excuse me.
God damn.
Even you gotta admit that nigga was fine.
That nigga was kind of fine.
Okay.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. I'm not even gonna hold you.
That was
I don't even know what to talk about right now because I'm still kind of stuck on that. What? There's a lot to unpack
his
there in that
arms
moment.
and his his hair bounced for absolutely no reason.
That's supposed to be him looking up and be like, ah. But, it was
But seriously?
Great. So now we know who put the fucking hit on him. Why? I don't know. We don't know. We have no idea.
Yeah, right? Because she was supposed to be, and she ran away.
So that was for the old guy, or for the older people, or whatever the fuck.
I'm saying they're the ones that put the.
Oh, so they're the ones who sent him, and he sent them.
No, they sent the older people sent them. We don't know why he's here because he knows who they are. And Tsubaki is like, what the fuck is you doing here?
Mm-hmm.
So we don't know why he's here.
But we
basically.
also know he knows who he is just based off of that reaction.
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
Because everybody else is like, how does he know we're fooding? Like, we're not even wearing our uniforms. How the fuck do you know that?
Exactly.
Because he
It's
didn't
something
know.
from the past.
Because in that, for that original part, yeah, I guess so. But he knows he's fooding, not that they know, but because he was there during that fight in the first 2 episodes. He
Oh,
was just
yeah,
hiding in
that's
disguise.
right. I
When
forgot
everybody
about
else
that.
went down, he was like,
So did we just meet the final boss?
I don't know. Hard to say.
He is very final bossish.
Because Tsubaki is one of the four horsemen,
Right.
and then it's Umemiya. I don't know. I don't know where the background here comes in. We just know that Sakura can't take him for sure. Somebody don't sit on a rooftop watching people being like, who's gonna listen to a bunch of bitch asses like you, huh? People who suck don't do that, and people also like that don't hide in a gang as a goddamn Trojan horse and just sit there and just watch for a fight to figure out which way the wind blows.
Right.
This nigga's built different. Like, clearly something's wrong with him.
But he was really built different, though.
Oh, he was built. He was built. That nigga was built, bro. That nigga got tattoos all over the place. Yeah. What about Pride Month?
Who? Pride Month?
Yeah.
Somebody
On to the next then. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for all the videos that get dropped. Patreon, you'll get it first. Mercenary socials listed down below. Until next time for episode 11, we'll be here telling it like it is.